This equipment produces rotational molded type articles. You take polyethylene powder that's ground up to a certain mesh size, and then you heat it up on a biaxial rotation for a certain temperature and a certain time. And then that cures the polyethylene and it comes out as a nice solid object with good physical properties. People might not know what rotational molding is as far as the process is concerned, but they certainly know the products. The biggest part of the pie is water tanks. Some other aspects are kayaks, coolers. In rotational molding, BASF offers base stabilization and light stabilization for additives, because when you have a rotationally molded article, it sees a lot of thermal exposure, so you have to protect against that. We've also increased our capability as far as the UV requirement. In the outdoors, products have to last several years. We've got additive packages for UV stabilization that will reach that requirement for our customers. We often invite customers to come to inspect our labs. We're more than willing to have them come on site and take a look at what we can do, what our capabilities are. Our technical people are talking to their technical people as well as the salespeople, because all of that combined allows us to see what their actual requirements are and what we can do to serve them best. As far as our customers are concerned and what we've done for them, one good example is sometimes the market changes. If you need something like UV 20,000 hours in a weathering device, that takes a long time, but because we have the equipment here, we can meet those requirements. Some of the other things the customer requested, they needed more antioxidant retention, because recycling and sustainability and all the green movement, that's very important these days. So we're able to accommodate that. One of the things in our stabilizer blends is an accelerated cure additive, which reduces the amount of energy that you need, saves gas, saves time, helps the customer produce more articles, and we can do that at a drop of a hat. How will this equipment help BASF? First of all, is our digitization platform. This equipment actually allows us to interface with actual computers, online, real-time type of reporting and measurements. We've got several different customers that rely on us to do this for them because they don't have the capabilities in-house, and we're very quick. We're able to be flexible and timely in giving a solution to their problems. And we're dead if we don't innovate. We're constantly pushing the envelope on a lot of our stabilization blends, and that's where we see the future of rotation molding. And BASF is able to put forth a very good package that's very, very durable for our customers.
BASF. We create chemistry.